Good morning students, welcome to the online teaching session of Academic World School by Mitra. I am Vijay Goswami, your French teacher. Previously in the lecture 1, I took you through the alphabets and one word with each alphabet, and we learned counting from 0 to 20. Now in this session, in lecture 2, I will cover two topics, that is quick revision of counting from 0 to 20, and thereafter from 21 to 60 we will learn countings. Alright, so before I start, I want you people to bring take out your notebooks or pen with you, and what shall I do? I'll take you through the counting that I taught you in previous class. Alright, just quickly I'm recapping everything. I will tell you the pronunciation as well, so you'll have to mind it. 0 un. For one, we have two versions for masculine and feminine. The, trois, quatre, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just mark the pronunciation and revise after. Okay. 0, 1, une, deux, trois, quatre, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so now from 11 to 20 in the revision part. Alright, in the previous class only you might have written. If you do not, you can pause the video and write the counting. Alright, if you don't have the book. Okay. Alright, 11 is onze. Alright, 12, douze, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's revise with me. Okay, start. Onze, douze, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Main thing that you need to notice from now onward is the counting from 17. You can see these means 10 and set, 17, 8. What is that? 18, 19. Similarly, this one, 10 and 9. It shall be 19. This kind of pattern you will observe frequently in the counting 21 onward. Alright. So you need to observe the pattern. You need to observe the pattern of the countings. Alright. So what will happen? You will observe it. Now what you do? You can write down these. Alright. And for writing down you can pause the video. Alright. So I am going to erase this one. We have revised. We have done the quick revision of counting from 0 to 20. Alright. So now the main objective of this lecture is to learn the counting from 21 to 60. And there is a pattern like this that you shall use frequently. How it is happening, you will learn. I am going to start. Alright. Alright, I am removing this for better clarity. 21. What was the word for 20? We have just learnt now and in the previous class. What was the word? When. Alright. When they This word means in French and. When is what? 20. This one we have already learned. This means 1. 20 and 1. 21. This pattern will be followed in 31. Okay. This and thing means and word shall be there in 31, 41, 51 onward. Alright. So in the beginning we shall have this and word. When, a, So together we will pronounce it as when they What is that? When they Yes, try. When they Alright. Likewise, in subsequent counting from here till here, we will not use this word. Only for 21, 31, 41, 51, like that. Alright. Done? So now, 22. What is the word for 20? When. And simply a hyphen we shall use and we will write the. Again 20 and 2. 22. From here till 29 we will use the same pattern that you need to observe. That was the thing I was asking you to observe. It was happening from 17, 18, 19. Likewise it shall happen till here. From again from 31 to 39. Again from 41 to 49. Again from 51 to 59. Alright, this is the pattern you need to observe and you will have to apply your brain. Okay, getting it? So, few set of words in counting if you learn, you can do the rest. Okay, you can write the rest. You can write the remaining. Alright, so let's go ahead. For 23, what it shall be? When trois means 3, when means 20. 23. Again, when quatre, 24. 20 when quatre means 4. 25 when cinq. 26 when six. When sept. When huit. When neuf. And then this one, trente. Alright. So what is happening? This pattern you need to observe. 20 and then counting from 1 to 9. Alright. So revise with me once. 21. Yes, speak. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Yes, try. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. This word shall be utilized for writing counting from 30 to 39. Mind it. Okay. Now I am going to use this word entirely. So what you can do? You can pause the video and you can write the counting. Alright. So I am going to erase now. And I will write counting from 31 to 40. Alright? Okay.
आप लोग आ गए?
Alright, so we have learnt the word 31 to 40. I am going to write. We have just learned the word 30. Okay, 30, trente. Trente we have learned for 30. And for 21, what we were using? We were using the word a and. Alright, and one is there, so So the pronunciation shall be 31. Right? 31. Now again from 31 to 39. 30 here, then the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like we did from 21 to 29. Okay, observe it now. From the throne, trois, throne, quatre, trente, cinq, 30, 6, 30, 7, 30, 8, 30, 9, and then new word, 40. Okay, same happening pattern. Observe the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 till 9. Okay. So we will revise the pronunciation from 31 to 40. Okay. You might have observed the pattern. Right? You might have observed the pattern. And now learn the pronunciation. Okay. 31. Try with me. 31. 32. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Alright, again you have observed the pattern. Okay, how to write it? Now the new word is 40. 40. Okay, so we will learn the counting from 41 to 50 now. Okay, same pattern as here, but one spelling you have to learn, 40, and from 1 to 9 you will have to use from 41 to 49. Alright, again you can pause the video and write down the spellings. Okay, so I am erasing. Alright. So we have just learned 40 and we are going to utilize that. What was the word? 40. Again same pattern of putting A like we did in 21, 31. Similar pattern, 40, 40, A and 1, 41. Again till 49 will do the same thing. 40, the, 40, trois, 40, 4, 40, 5, 40, 6, 40, 7, 40, 8, 40, 9, and then new word 50. Okay, now we will go through the pronunciation part. Okay, you might have noticed and observed the same pattern that we followed from 21 to 30 and 31 to 39. Okay, and then 41 to 49, 21 to 29, 31 to 39 and 41 to 49. Same pattern you might observe. Exactly the same. This thing and thereafter remaining till 9. We have the same pattern. You need to learn just one spelling here. 40 and from 1 to 9 you can do like this. So let's do the pronunciation part. 41. Try with me. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and then new word 50, which is 50. What is that? 50. You observe the same pattern, just learning only one spelling. You are doing 10 from 40 to 49. All right. Now we shall learn counting from 51 to 60. All right, and we will wind up the class. All right. So you can again pause the video and you can write down the counting. Alright. So I am going to erase now. Alright.
Good morning.
Now we learned the new spelling, which was 50. 50. Alright. And like in 21, 31 and 41, we are to put and here in the first one. A and then which is 1. 50. What is this? 51. Alright, and from here till here we'll write the same pattern we'll adopt. Okay, so 50 the 53 54 50 5 56 57 58 59 and then new word 60. Alright, so you might have noticed here the same pattern from 51 to 59. Alright, same, exactly the same. Notice it, try to observe it. You find it the same, right? Just you have to learn one word and thereafter 1 to 9 you are using. Alright, and then new word 60, which is 60. Alright, so let's do the pronunciation part and you will revise after me as usual. Alright, 51. Yes, try. 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60. Yes. So, including lecture 1 and 2, even specifically in lecture 1, specifically in lecture 2, means because I revised it. So, we learned counting from 0 to 60. Alright? There is a pattern. And specifically you need to observe that counting shall be easy for you, at least for writing first, and pronunciation part you can revise through the audio video. Alright, based on this lecture there shall be assignment uploaded in ARP. You will have to work out those assignments. Alright, you'll have to diligently work on that. Okay, those shall be corrected. I'll be correcting those. So I want you and I expect from you that you do it diligently with good handwriting. Alright? Thank you very much.